5 counties, Nairobi, Kilifi, Kisumu, Kajiado and Nakuru, are set to benefit from clean cooking solutions following the rollout of a project designed to accelerate Kenya's transition to clean cooking by supporting local manufacturers. The project is by Practical Action Kenya in partnership with the Clean Cooking Association of Kenya, CCAK, and Gamos East Africa, with support from UK PACT.
It's an inclusive approach that we are seeking to county energy development. And we hope that it will deliver the enhanced institutional capacity for undertaking evidence-based.
We be inclusive. How can we ensure there's a transition to clean cooking? So all these policies are in the background of a transition to clean cooking, access to finance for the private sector, so that we also do not rely heavily on the public sector.
What we want to see is that local production ramps up to be able to meet that demand, and Kenya becomes a self-sustaining nation in terms of meeting the growing demand for sustainable cooking energy.
So some of the solutions that we captured in our energy plan was that we required a policy intervention in relation to the clean cooking sector. And as of now, Kilifi County has developed its clean cooking energy policy.